Welcome to Class 10 History Chapter 3 Past Paper Analysis. Here you will get all the important questions which came in the previous year exams. It will help you to prepare systematically for the upcoming board exams. Question number 1. Why Gandhiji withdrew from the non-cooperation movement? Gandhiji withdrew from the non-cooperation movement because of incidents of violence. The main incident was the Chauri Chaura incident, which took place in 1922. In that, people clashed with the police and set a police station on fire. It made Gandhiji realize that the people were not yet ready for a mass struggle and that satyagrahis were needed to be properly trained for non-violent demonstrations. Question number 2. Explain the idea of Satyagraha. Satyagraha means a unique method of mass agitation which is based on the power of truth. Satyagraha is synonymous with non-violent agitation. Gandhiji believed that practicing non-violence will become the cause of national unity. Question number 3. Discuss the famous incidents of Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh incident took place on 13th April 1919. On that particular day, a crowd of villagers were in Amritsar and attending a fair gathered in the enclosed ground of Jallianwala Bagh. Since the fair was outside the city, villagers were unaware of the martial law that had been imposed by the British Indian government. General Dyer entered the ground area and blocked all the exit points and opened fire on the crowd, killing hundreds of people. Question number 4. Explain the role of Alluri Sita Ramaraju in Andhra Pradesh during the 1920s. Alluri Sita Ramaraju, who was from Andhra Pradesh, claimed that he possesses a variety of special powers. He found Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement inspirational. He persuaded people to wear khadi and to give up drinking. But Sita Ramaraju also believed in the power of force and asserted that India can be liberated only by the use of force and not non-violence. He used guerrilla warfare for achieving Swaraj. Question number 5. Discuss in what way the Salt March became an effective symbol of resistance against colonialism. The Salt March became the symbol of resistance against colonialism. The reason was that it was a common commodity used by both rich and poor. The silent and peaceful Salt March was effective because it indicated the true meaning of Swaraj and non-violence. Salt March also led to the civil disobedience movement in 1930. Question number 6. Imagine yourself a woman who is participating in the civil disobedience movement. Explain what the experience meant to your life. You have to answer this question on the basis of your own understanding and perspective. Question number 7. In what way the First World War helped in the growth of the national movement in India? The British Army conducted forced recruitment from rural areas in India at the time of the First World War. Reasons such as high custom duties and imposed income tax were some of the reasons that led the national movement of India to head towards a stronger, more definitive direction. Question number 8. Why political leaders differ sharply over the question of separate electorates? Political leaders differ sharply over the question of separate electorates because of the difference of opinion that they had on caste and minority issues. Question number 9. Why the growth of nationalism in the colonies is linked to an anti-colonial movement? People's freedom was affected due to Colonization. The realization and sense of oppression became a common bond for different people, which resulted in the growth of nationalist ideals. Question number 10. What was the reason that Indians were outraged by the Rowlatt Act? The Rowlatt Act was passed hurriedly, giving the government autocratic powers that will repress political activities. It also allowed detaining political prisoners without a trial for 2 years. The unlawful act was undemocratic and oppressive, which made Indians outraged against these acts. These are the important questions from History Chapter 3. Hope this will help students to score well in the board exams. Keep watching for more updates. Thank you.